today we're going to make guacamole. I love making my own and not getting the store-bought. I think there's like a huge difference with the flavor, and it's like great with like salsa and chips and all that, so I just make my own at home. So you take 3 medium-sized avocados and just put them in a bowl here and mush them up real good. I have one here. That's my last one. And to that, I add a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. A lot of people love onion in it, oopsies, but I do. And then here we have a 1/4 cup minced cilantro. I love cilantro. And then 2 tablespoons of lime juice. This is a little bit of a tough lime right here, but we're getting it. Here it comes. That, so they're all in there. All right, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. You mix that all up like that. It's so good. Now, if you pack this really good, like put plastic wrap. My secret is like put plastic wrap on like this sort of bowl with like a top, and you put the plastic wrap like not on the top, but like right against the guacamole, so it gives a nice air seal. So then you'll have this, you know, for a couple happy hours. You know, looks just like that, gorgeous. All right, enjoy.